Hello! Right, in this video I'm going to refresh your memory about how to do takeaway sums where you have to regroup. Now here's the first example we're going to do. 823 take away 156. Now remember, the bigger number always goes on top. So when a 3-digit number, that's the number with the most hundreds. If it was a 2-digit sum, that would be the number with the most tens. Now remember the golden rule of doing these kind of sums. Top take away bottom. So you cannot here say 6 take away 3 is 3, 5 take away 2 is 3, and 8 take away 1 is 7. It's always the top take away the bottom. So we start with the units, and we start with 3 take away 6. And you can't take 6 away from 3. If you have 3 buns, you can't eat 6 of them. So we need to make more units. So we take one of the tens, we cross out the 2. 2 tens becomes 1 10, and the 3 units becomes 13 units. Now we can do the units. 13 take away 6 is 7, and we go on to the tens, and we have 1 take away 5. So we can't do that, so we have to regroup again. So we need to make 10 tens from one of the hundreds. So the 800s becomes 700s, and the 110 in the middle becomes 11 tens, and now we can finish it off. So the 11 take away 5 is 6, and we finish it off with the hundreds. 7 take away 1 is 6. And there we go. So that's how you regroup, and that's a tricky one. So you have to actually regroup twice there. You know, it gets a little bit more complicated when you have to regroup for the units and you don't have any tens. Look at this example here. So we have 702 take away 275. We go top take away bottom for the units. 2 take away 5. Can't do that, so we need to regroup. We need 10 more, but we don't have any tens. So what we do here is we have to go all the way over to the hundreds, take one of the hundreds, 700s becomes 600s, and we put that in front of, that one in front of the 0 tens. Now we've got 10 tens, because 10 tens is 100. So instead of 702, you could read this as 610T2. You know, 10 tens. Same number, just rearranged. So now we have 10 tens, we can regroup this 1 and the 0 together, and the 10 tens becomes 9 tens, and we put that 10 with the units, so now we have, you see, 12 units, 9 tens, and 600s. So you could read that as 69012 instead of 702, if you think about it, because 600 plus 90 plus 12 is equal to 702. So we haven't actually changed the number, we've just rearranged how we've written it. So now it's easy, we don't have to do any more regrouping, so we can just finish it all in one go. 12 take away 5 is 7, 9 take away 7 is 2, and 6 take away 2 is 4. So the answer is 427. Okay, so there you go. I hope that now your memory is refreshed about how to do these. Okay, I hope it was clear. Bye.